आज का टॉपिक है आपका एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम। एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम क्या होता है? बेसिकली आपका किससे मिलकर बनता है? ग्लैंड से मिलकर बनता है। ग्लैंड्स को कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? दीज आर द स्पेसिफिक cells which secrete specific hormones, you can say chemicals, which has a specific target site for its pharmacological action. Basically, the endocrine system consists of glands. Glands can be defined as these are the specific cells which secrete specific chemicals, or you can say hormones, which has a specific target site and perform its pharmacological action. Basically, glands are a group of specific cells. These are of three types. First one is endocrine gland. Second one is exocrine gland. The third one is heterocrine gland. These are three types of glands. First one is endocrine gland. Second one is exocrine gland. Third one is heterocrine gland. Basically हम इसको जानेंगे कैसे? Endocrine glands are the ductless glands. These are the ductless glands which secrete chemicals directly into your bloodstream. These are the ductless glands which secrete chemicals, or you can say hormones, directly into bloodstream. इस तरह की ग्लैंड्स होती हैं एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स। याद करने का तरीका क्या है? जहां पे भी डी आ रहा है आपका टाइप्स ऑफ ग्लैंड्स के, उसी को हमने क्या बोल देना? डक्टलेस ग्लैंड्स बोल देना। ये क्या करते हैं? सिक्रीट करते हैं हार्मोन्स को, केमिकल्स को डायरेक्टली इनटू योर ब्लडस्ट्रीम। एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स, दीज आर द duct glands which secrete hormone with the help of duct. It means कि बॉडी में जहां पे भी इसका टारगेट साइट होगा वहां तक आपका हार्मोन किससे जाएगा? डक्ट से जाएगा। ऐसे ग्लैंड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स। हेटेरोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स क्या होते हैं? Combination of both. Combination of both means exo and endo. Exocrine plus endocrine glands. The example of heterocrine glands is pancreas. Pancreas follow both endocrine as well as exocrine. So today we can discuss about the endocrine system. Endocrine system consists of endocrine glands. As we discussed earlier, the definition of glands and definition of endocrine glands. Glands, these are the specific cells which secrete chemicals known as hormones, which act at specific target site and show its pharmacological action. Endocrine are the ductless glands which secrete chemicals into your bloodstream, directly into your bloodstream. Example of endocrine glands. First one is pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, beta cells, इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? आइसलेट्स ऑफ लैंगरहैंस. First one is pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, beta cells, pineal gland, the thymus gland. These are the example of endocrine glands: pituitary, thyroid, adrenal gland, beta cells, isolate of Langerhans. These are the example of pancreas. Pancreas having beta cells which release insulin, pineal gland and thymus gland. This is the basic overview of endocrine system, in which we discuss about the glands, types of glands, endocrine glands, heterocrine glands, exocrine glands, and the examples of endocrine glands.